Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have a special collection unboxing for you guys. This is of course the exclusive BAPE and Mitchell and Ness jerseys. I got the Chicago Bulls and the LA Lakers jersey, and on top of that I've also got the official Spalding basketball ball. Alright, we're going to do an unboxing of all three of these items. Alright, so let's start off with the Bulls version. Now these guys retail for $200 US. Alright, these are the Swingman jerseys, not the authentic ones. The authentic ones are even more expensive to come in a special packaging box and all that good stuff. But I'm not going to go for that, so just went with the standard NBA jersey Swingman from Mitchell and Ness. Alright, so let's do it. This is the Bathing Ape dust bag, same size as the one that they use for the BAPE hoodies. You can see it's a big piece here, right? Pretty standard. Chicago Bulls, of course, one of my favorite teams because of you know who, MJ and all that. So let's look at the tags. ABC camo tag. You got that as usual. But with the Mitchell & Ness collection, you've got a bit more tags than usual. Okay, this, you can see here the official Mitchell & Ness tag with the string. What it says here, mitchellandness.com. You got another tag right here, which is the NBA.com store tag, Hardwood Classics. And of course, you got this authentic sticker. Alright, no joke. This is very expensive stuff. $200 for a jersey. What do you think? So anyway, this is the official BAPE Mitchell & Ness collaboration tag. Right here you got the BAPE logo, Nostalgia Company, Mitchell & Ness, Philadelphia, USA. Alright, down there. I got this in a size L. Right. Don't forget, this is made in China, not made in the US. But it is what it is. Let's get into the jersey itself. So you can see here the embroidery. It's very high quality. It's definitely got some weight to it. Alright, definitely very high quality. Is it worth $200? Well, I guess so. So Bulls, as you can see here, the stitching is amazing. It looks great. Alright, no doubts about that. This is the official Bulls logo, and of course the additional BAPE head right there. On touch, this feels is an embroidery piece as well, and you can feel that it's kind of very smooth textured kind of feel. Definitely got that plastic material to it. Alright, you can see here the very high quality, definitely. And on the left side you got the NBA logo stitched in right there. Very nice. No change to the colors, to the Chicago Bulls color. And you can see here, of course, I'm not sure the camera is catching it. You can see the red camo. This is the ABC camo version, as you can see right there. Not the first camo one, because this is more of the squished ape head. There you can see, very nice, very subtle, but very nice indeed. At the bottom you get the tag stitched in right here, 1997-98, A Bathing Ape, Hardwood Classics, Mitchell & Ness, the collaboration tag. It's all, this is one single piece right here, and here is the stitching of the year. 97-98 is of course the Jordan era. That is why I got this Bulls jersey. And at the bottom, HWC Swingman. Alright, I gotta say, this is my first NBA jersey. I don't regularly buy jerseys, so if I make a mistake on any of these details, just let me know. At the back, BAPE, very nice, super fine details. 93, of course, which is the year that BAPE was founded. The same high quality stitching, embroidery. Alright, very nice. Got a synthetic, what do you say, plastic material. And on the sides there, you got the cut right there. Sides, so to me it's quite easy to pull it over your head because of this. It's very nice. Now in terms of sizing, I've actually tried this on an L. The large size definitely feels like an XL to the XL plus. Alright, not really exactly XXL, but it's definitely Western size, or should I say Western size L. So to the normal Asian size, it will be an XL-ish and above. Alright, the length of this jersey is longer than usual, than average. I think it's about 74-75 inches long. Alright, so in terms of the length, is very long compared to the average tee, and in terms of width, size and all that, is also a bit bigger, right, for a large. I think it's because they wanted to stitch this in, so they had to make it longer, but I guess basketball jerseys have to be a little bit longer than usual. Alright, so very high quality right there. Is there any wash tags here? Let's have a look. Okay, let's see the inside. 100% polyester all over. Pause it, you can read it. The back, washing instructions. So definitely very, very nice piece. So let's move on to the Lakers version. Again, same dust bag, and this one is going for at least 400 USD apparently on StockX, I believe. Let's go through the tags one more time. Same collaboration tag. I got it in a size M. I'll explain why later. NBA Store, ABC Camo, and the Mitchell & Ness tag as well. Okay, pretty standard. But of course, this is the LA Lakers jersey. Okay, it's got that purple embroidery of the Lakers logo, and of course you got a very nice bathing ape logo here, the ape head in purple and white. As you can see, it's very smooth to the touch. It's got that plasticky feel. And here's got the registered trademark, unlike the Bulls one, which doesn't have. Oh wait, hang on, the Bulls one has one as well. Looks very nice. And then at the bottom you got the 96-97 year that this jersey was featured. Again, 96-97 was the Kobe and Shaq year, which is what I like. This was my favorite duo. Hardwood Classics, Mitchell & Ness, Swingman jersey. Wash tags, pretty much standard right there. Now the reason why this is going for at least 450 or 500 US dollars is because of two things. One is that this was worn by Snoop Dogg in the advertisement, in the promo video. And the other thing that I want to highlight, that this Lakers has on top of all the other jerseys, right there, right here, you see this gold ape head embroidery piece right here stitched in, and on the left side you got the NBA logo also in gold embroidery piece stitched in. Surprisingly, the other jerseys don't have that. Only the Lakers one has this gold embroidery. I don't know why that's the case. Let me show you the BAPE one. So the BAPE one, pretty much they use the standard NBA logo, white, red and blue, but it doesn't have that gold ape head embroidery, which is very interesting indeed. So probably the reason why it's so expensive is because of this additional accessory or additional design piece. So it's only exclusive to the Lakers jersey. Alright, 450, 500 US dollars for a Lakers tee. I don't know, you decide whether it's worth it. Alright, 93 there, right there. It's very nice. Done in the same fashion as the Lakers jersey, the numbering, as you can see here. Very, very nice. The patchwork is really, really nice. Alright, let's talk about the camo as well. It's a yellow ABC camo, very nicely done. Again, quite subtle in my opinion, and looks really great how they embedded the camo into the jersey. All in, very nice piece. Lakers look great, no joke, very nice. Okay, that's about it. Now let's get to the ball. Spalding is the official NBA ball, and this is the packaging that comes in. Got that black camo finish. So Bathing Ape right there, Spalding logo right there. So all around very nice. Underneath, if you want to read it, just pause it. Right there. First things first, first impressions. So really nice. It's got that really that color that pops. So let's see on the sides. Okay, let's open it. This retails for about I think the resale price is about 200-ish dollars. Alright, check that out. Very nice detail. The ABC camo green print, very nicely done. Very vibrant. It's got that punchy color. You can see here the ape logo here has already been kind of cut in. It's got a nice feel. Spalding. So the front, the back, same thing. Underneath, what does it say here? Spalding, inflate, made in China. Now the model is it's written right here. This is the 94 series model. Don't ask me what's the difference, what's so special about the 94 ball, but it looks great. Overall, definitely a plus. Not sure if I'm going to play with the ball. Maybe I'm just going to display it as a display piece because it looks so nice, right? So yep, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know if you want me to do a review of the jerseys, but if you want to see the fit, please follow me on IG at LKHOE23. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.